if you're hungry and you're a pasta lover, this is what we're going to be making today. So buckle up your seatbelts and let's go for this food adventure ride. Alright guys, so what we're going to need to make our sauce is we've got some diced tomatoes ready to go, we've got 2 onions, we've got some garlic, I've got some nice ricotta cheese, some oregano, and what I'm going to do with this, because I'm going to change, because you know what I'm like, I like to use what we've got in the house. I've got some of my homemade salami which I am going to put into the mix. So let's get this show on the road. Alright, let's start off with these onions. Just cut them up nice and fine. We get the onions going and a little bit of garlic. I've got the pan on with some olive oil. So we're just going to slightly brown these off a little bit in the pan. It doesn't take long, this recipe guys, you don't have to cook this for 6 years. So okay, so that's the garlic. Now into the pan this all goes. Alright guys, so I've got a nice hot pan here. We'll throw those onions in. I've got this water going, that's ready to go for the pasta. Okay, and now in with the garlic. Stir that in. Alright guys, the pasta we're going to be using today is some nice rigatoni. It's not the huge, it's the number 31. So the water's boiled, so I'll put these in now because by the time these cook, this sauce will be ready. Alright guys, as you can see, our onions are browned perfectly as we want them. Let's go in with the tomatoes. Now I'm using diced tomatoes. Okay, now we'll give them a bit of a stir. We'll throw in a little bit of oregano. Mix that in. And last but not least, let's throw in our little bit of salami. Like I said, this is not the proper traditional recipe. I just like to make my own spin. It's the same as like yourself at home. You can put chili in it, you can put peppers as in capsicums, whatever you want, whatever you desire. But this is my little spin on this little sauce. So now we'll just let that cook a little bit and then we'll add the ricotta. Okay guys, our sauce is ready. All we've got to do now, we'll add our ricotta. As you can see, our pasta's ready to go. I've got to drain that off. Now, we just mix in this ricotta. Alright guys, so there you go, our sauce is ready to go. I like my ricotta still with a couple of chunks in there, just adds to the texture. So we've drained our pasta, so all we've got to do now is pop our sauce into the pasta there. That's done. Put that away. And now we'll just mix all this through. Oh, it looks so lovely. Alright, now it's time to dish this up. So, okay guys, there you have it. There's our pasta Napoletana with ricotta. I've just put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, and there's only one more thing to do now, is to eat. Okay guys, there's only one last thing to do, and let's give this a taste test. Beautiful. Creamy. You got the saltiness from that little bit of salami in there. You can really taste the Napoletana sauce. Perfect. Cheap to make, easy to make, just a real fresh and clean dish. So good luck with that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, for a fact.